Hello friends, followers, family members, whoever wants to listen in here. Well, I'm actually standing just next to my friend, the little dragonfly, as is coming on this place every day. Of course, I don't know if it's the same one, but somehow I have a sense that this is the one that is giving me most of the messages. And today I see also that the kids are out with the kites. It's a Sunday today. I have prayed my prayer, I have made my meditation, I have tried to be very present, and I think the message today is very simple. It's like, fly as a kite, follow the flow, be who you are, because only you know. So with that, I will send it off to you and wish you a beautiful Sunday wherever you are.